All right, this is the night before. We're just finishing up packing right now. Got the rest on my back here. I can show you guys in the mirror. The bathroom. Looking pretty crazy. But we're ready. We will see you in the morning. All right, gang. We're on the road. No car. It is 6 in the morning, and we're at it. We're up and at 'em at it. It's a beautiful morning. We will catch you once we get to the mountains. Catch you in the mountains. Catch you in the mountains. All right, we're fog. Approaching the foothills. Approaching the foothills of the Canadian Rockies, and we seem to be encountering some fog. Some fog. Some fog. So look at that fog. Whoa, there's the mountain. Was that recording? All right, ladies and gentlemen. We are getting closer to the mountains. You can see the very thin layer of fog in the distance. How beautiful. Look at that. Mountains. Rocky Mountains. We're stopped in Canmore. Going to Rocky Mountain Bagel Co. Bag. Grabbing some bagels. Bright and early. I think it's right here. I got the salmon bagel. Looks like you got BLT style. Oh yeah. Oh. All done eating. That seems very inspired after I what? All done eating. All done eating. Tummy full. Tummy full and freshly pooped in Canmore, Alberta. Tummy full. Tummy full. Oh yeah. Give me a look. Yeah. 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 All right. Just loading up at the camp now on our adventure. Woo. All right, Jack, give us a spin. There we go. All right. You get me. Get me, bro. The spin. Good to go. Let's do this. Let's do this. What's up, gang? We are approaching our first kilometer of our hike. The mountain. Let's show you something. Wow. Yeah. Damn. Feeling relatively okay. My lower back is about to explode, but that's okay. Because that's what it's all about. We got music playing so that no bears try and sneak up and kill us from behind. So we'll just keep on grooving. All right, gang. Are we zoomed out? Gang. Filming vertical for this part. We got this view here, but then, my God, take a look at that if it focuses. Wow. That's crazy. Just wow. That honestly might be. That's just amazing. Look at that. That's not one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen. Wow. We're probably about what, 2 kilometers in? Roughly? I don't know. We should check the GPS, but all is going well. It's looking great. Got some music. We're vibing out. Look at that. That's what the trail's looking like. Yeah, doing good. I just learned how to use the bear spray. Yeah. So that was probably important. Got it right here. The mouth spray. Right here on the fupa. That's what they call it now.
We're halfway.
We're halfway?
We're halfway to camp.
Oh, shit. All right, well, then we're like 4 kilometers in.
This is the viewpoint.
Oh, this is the, yeah, no shit. My God, look at that. All right, I'll pick up later. Wow. Still got snow here. It's July. It's July right now. And a tree fell on the bridge. All right, let's see you scale this. Oh, be careful. Be careful, honey. Jesus Christ, Jack.
We're good.
Goes all the way down there. Jesus Christ, Jack, be careful. Don't leave me out here. Wow, look at that. Here, you take the camera. Take the camera. Come here.
Nice people.
Bike. Hello. Climbing. Oh, descent. You can jump it? Hello! This rocky area is beautiful. Wow. Keep on keeping on. Sun's not gonna wait around.
Nope. It's not.
All right, we're at a pit stop here. Jack is taking a leak over there. Just enjoying this water. How about that, hey? We're at a fork in the road right now, so we're gonna figure out where we have to go. But we're gonna sit here for a bit, maybe collect some water. It's nice because it's glacier fed, so I'm currently chafing in between the legs and the crotch area. Feels like my left toenail is gonna fall off, and my hip joints feel like they need some WD-40. So we'll catch you at camp.
How cold is it?
Is it cold? Okay, we made it to the site. We've been settled for about 45 minutes now, but I'll give you a tour. So, this is the tent here. The walking path is through some forage that way, so we're close to humans that are walking by on this hiking trail. There's an outhouse right there. But yeah, this is our tent. It's an old school mountain equipment co-op tent. I'll do a little tour. So we've got our vestibule entrance here with our bags. And all the way in. We've got sleeping bag 1 and sleeping spot 2 with our clothes. We've got our butane, just some water storage, toilet paper, just kind of random stuff. But, it's got ventilation, which is nice, like a screen here. But yeah, that's a tour of the tent. And we hung some hammocks up. So I'll go show you those. Say hi. So we've got our hammocks here. And then the river is just right here. So we're gonna just post here for a bit. Signing off. Jack's sleeping. He looks like a dead body. I could just like wrap him up until he suffocates, so then drag him into the river, never to be seen again. Surely that's all theoretical, though. Merely a joke. I would never. Show him, Jack. Show him, Jack.
MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Odd.
Up in the sky, in the clouds.
Like that. Dismount.
We will be dwelling in the skies today.
Yeah.
Away.
Throwing sticks and rocks at
Away from
bypass.
the grounded forage.
Yeah.
Wildlife.
Getting eaten by the sky fuckers.
We will survive the wilderness. And right now I'm gonna boil some water. Agua. Agua.
That one on fire.
Don't see that. B. Focus. B. There we go. On the menu for dinner today, teriyaki rice. Coming in at 620 calories for the whole bag. Got 2 of them, 1 each. Got some water boiling on the stove, and we're being eaten alive by mosquitoes. That's it. That is all. That is a lovely food safe compartment. Fire. We built this little rock fire pit. Found some logs. And this is what we have going on right now. Sun is setting. It's getting dark out. Just gonna enjoy the fire, maybe play some cards, and hunker down for the night. Jack is grabbing some more rocks. I think I just heard him hoot and holler, make some noises, unless it's some, never mind. It's definitely Jack. He's grabbing rocks over there. Look at him. Wow. Crazy zoom. Beautiful evening here. Oh, camera lens is a little dirty. Looking a little cloudy. You might get some rain tomorrow. But otherwise, our night is ending. So.
My working day is over. We'll go some Rockies way. Put your toe down in the water.
Who rolls cold on high? I've seen my share of trouble, and I've held my weight in shame. Good morning, Jack. Do you like having a camera in your face first thing in the morning? Yeah, it's just the best. Putting on a makeup, she casually allure. Text message breakups, the casualty of tour. How she gon' wake up and not love me no more? I thought I was the asshole, I guess it's rubbing off. Hood phenomenon, look around. Alright vlog, we've made it to the summit.
10,000 feet.
We are, just kidding, we have to go up there. So, we've already lost our tracking of the trail, so we have to backtrack, but just thought this was a very majestic point to give you all a little update. Got this wonderful wildflower field. Absolutely stunning. Just a perfect place for a bear to be grazing. So, we move forward. All right, update. We haven't been with the trail for basically the whole time. It's been really tough trying to find it. It's just bush, grass, so we made good progress, but it's definitely not as reassuring as your typical hike. We'll feel it pretty good, but I think we'll still make a good way most of the way. My legs are suffering from Mother Nature, but holy, that's all right. They don't itch yet.
Yeah.
I hope I don't suffer later. But we'll update you in a bit. We're just gonna keep trugging along. Otherwise, yeah.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Oh.
We found water.
Agua.
Agua. Oh, this is amazing.
Oh.
It's amazing. We wet our bandanas and filled up our water bottles. So, I mean, look at all that moss. Like, this is just the cleanest glacier water ever. It's amazing. We keep pushing. Also, I think we found the trail up ahead, so we'll update you on that as well. Out! We're much higher than we were before now. Last time we had the camera out, we were like down there, roughly. We still have to get up there. So, fuck. It's gonna be a good time. Alright, gang. We are not where we were before. We're in a very different spot now. Holy. Check out this incline. Oh my god. It's crazy. Yeah, we're doing alright. We got a little boo-boo. Hives are going down on my legs. But we can see where we were before. I think the last time I picked up the camera was probably along this ridge somewhere here. But we are going, where am I looking right now? I think we're going up here. And then we'll see what we want to do from there. We're not on a path anymore. Path has extinct.
I don't know if it went on
But
those trees.
the views up here are just absolutely stunning. It's just ridiculous. We had to put our poles away because climbing all this here is not pole friendly. You had to use our hands to climb. So yeah, it's fun. Finally at an altitude where the mosquitoes are virtually eliminated. Although we do still find a couple bugging us. That's about it though. We're gonna make it up to our next tree line and then have some nuts, some trail mix. Even though technically we should not be eating trail mix because we're not on a trail. Okay, well, that about does it for now.
That's it.
You can see the highway, the Trans-Canada Highway from here. It's the lake, the river that it kind of follows. All right, fuck. We did it. I mean, we could have gone all the way up there, but I mean, this is a monster mountain. We don't got the stuff for that. We just brought trail mix and smoothie packets. Oh, fuck. We did it though. Just immaculate views here. Oh, my hair. Oh. There's Jack. Hi, Jack.
Hello.
We're just two little guys at the top of a mountain. We're so scared. So scared. Wow, this is amazing though. We're gonna have some smoothies and enjoy the view, then probably make your way down. So. Just looking at these wildflowers. The way down has been miserable. And I missed my bed, but that's okay. Because it's all about connecting with the earth. And living off your back. I'm so excited to sleep on my paper thin foam pad in the tent. Nice. That was the worst descent of a hike either of us have ever experienced. We're just gonna enjoy our night. We're gonna eat all of the best food we brought. And I think that's about it. What you're seeing right here is culinary excellence. Just, yeah, chilling, eating our macaroni. Alright, gang. We are signing off for the night. We enjoyed our dinner, then we just relaxed in the hammocks for a bit until it got dark, and now we are cozy in a little tent here. So, see you in the morning. Peace. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, we got an Amber Alert at 1 a.m. It's just scared the living shit out of us. It's also really humid in here. But, well, we're just packing up now. And, yeah, gotta get the fuck out of here.
Alright guys, we are all packed up now. I've got everything on me. Backpack's on. Jack is just double checking camp. But otherwise we are out of here. All clear?
We're good.
We're good.
Homebound.
Homebound. That is the way home. We will update you along the way. But otherwise, we're excited to go eat the greasiest burger possible. Greasy burger. Yep. Ciao.
Ciao.
I came crashing through the forest.
We've done it. We are back at the car.
Civilization.
Civilization. Oh. We are going to go get a burger. Big air. Jeez, got some scruff. This is it, all the glory, everything we've been waiting for. Any final words, Jack? It was worth it. There's nothing to say. Thank you for tagging along. Peace.